What's up, guys, and welcome back to day 2 of my 10 days of Christmas. So today's video is just going to be me sharing with y'all how I get my super easy, like fluffy, voluminous, like Victoria's Secret beach waves. So if you want to see that video, just stay tuned. So the only two things you need for this hairstyle is a curling iron. I like the ones with the clamp, and I just turn it on to 450. I know it's super hot, but it's fine because I keep Moroccan oil in my hair and a heat protectant and literally everything. So, and you're only holding it on there for a few seconds, but I turn it on to 450, and this is a 1 1/4 inch curling iron. And the second thing you're gonna need is dry texture spray. So I just have these two things, and I already have heat protectant, Moroccan oil, the whole shebang in my hair. Okay, so to start curling it, what I do is I don't section it off into like the bottom, middle, and top. I just like to take my hair, I like to take the front piece, I like to hold everything that's gonna be in one side in my hand, and I just like to take a little section. I like to brush it out a little bit, take my curling iron, I lightly clamp it as I drag, and then you finally release it, and then you just hold it there for about 5 seconds, and then I just like to unwrap it as I go, and then pull your ends out. So I'll show you with this other piece. The concept is super easy once you like understand how to do it. So you're just gonna take a small section of hair, and I like to do it this way because I feel like I get more texture and it blends my extensions in with my hair a little bit better. So I just like to take the middle, I like to go in the middle of my hair and then twist it this way. So I'm gonna take it like this and flip it backwards, not forwards. And I know that it's such a struggle for people to use these clamp curling irons, but I just think they give the best results. And maybe that's just me being a hairstylist and just, you know, religiously using these clamp curling irons, but I just think they're so much better. I don't know what it is, but I don't like ones. I feel like they take way too long, and if you feel like that, comment down below, because I'm on a struggle bus. And to be completely honest, like, I don't like that all my curls form together when I use a wand. So like I said, you're just gonna take it and unwrap it and then pull your ends down, so that way you kind of get that straight end, like piecey look. I'm gonna take my Kenra dry texture spray, shake it up. Any texture spray will do, but all I'm gonna do is take my head and flip it over and just spray from the ends and kind of like shake my hair out. Flip it back up, kind of run my fingers through a few little pieces that need to be broken up. So that's about it. You can take it and play with it a little bit more, and especially through the day, it'll fall a little bit more. So you'll get bigger waves as the days go on. But yeah, that is that. So that is it for this video. And if you like it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. Don't forget to comment down below if you actually, you know, use a real curling iron or if you use a wand. I really want to know like how many people use a wand over how many people use an actual curling iron. I want to know so bad. So please don't forget to leave a comment down below which one you use more. Yeah, so don't forget to leave that comment and also turn on the post notification bell to see when I upload tomorrow. So with that being said, I will see y'all in tomorrow's video. We out.